recognize that. I also know that some of you work with other your classmates, and that's good. I like seeing that just as well. So it will make a difference. Now, one of the things that all the teachers that I met with said that if you have an equation like a formula like A equals BH, I'm gonna need you guys to hush for a few minutes.
I can hear that shit. That's annoying.
So if you got this formula, A equals BH. First of all, what is that formula?
Base times height.
What is the formula? So what is it?
A triangle.
Come on, you gotta put that away, please. Come on, I want to play now. I want to do this. So give me a complete sentence. What is this thing?
That is the area.
That's how to find the area.
Turn that shit off.
Is that you? Hey, nobody cusses in here but me. That's only fair.
Oh my god, bro.
Hey, bro, just be quiet, bro.
Okay, this is the each one of you should be able to tell me that's the formula for the area of a parallelogram. That's the formula, or somebody said that's how you find it. Yes, this is how you find the area of a parallelogram, not a triangle. You guys need to know that. They're going to give you these formulas on these standardized tests, but if you don't know how to use them, or if you don't know what they mean, you're in trouble. So now, get that out of the way. Suppose I ask you, you got to listen, you need to hush. I just talked to some of you about trying to help you with your grades out. You can be flunked easily, and I can figure it out, even if you're not, that you will.
You can change them and everything. You hear that?
How do you find the...
Am I the only one that hears that?
What does the A stand for? Area. What does the B stand for? What does the H stand for? Do you know how to recognize a height in a figure? Yes. What? How do you, I'm asking you nicely to stop now. You got to know when to stop.
Wipe your butt, bro.
It could be outside of the parallelogram. Okay, so
don't do it again.
She said inside, and that's
okay.
So look, let me show you. See, that's it outside. Inside. I'm not going to say anything because it's your grade, and I can fix it just right. So keep on acting the fool back there. You're not hurting me. Perpendicular to the base. It's perpendicular to the base. So it's a segment, but how do you know? Because it's perpendicular. How do you know it's perpendicular? How's that? What are you going to see? Huh? How do you going to know it's 90 degrees? From the picture. That little box, right? Okay, so you can have a little box here, or if it's outside, it's a little box here. Okay. So you got to be able to recognize that. The height is perpendicular to the base. Exactly. And sometimes you have to extend the base, especially if it's outside, if the height is outside. And this is your base. Or if the height's in here. So what I'm going to ask you to do is, well, I'll just show you what I want you to do. We're going to go over these formulas. Oh. So if I ask you if I ask you, how do you find the base of a parallelogram? What would you tell me? How do you find the base of a parallelogram? Don't be distracted, because whoever that is, they want you to be on their level of flunking. So, how do you find the base of a parallelogram? Okay, here's your formula right here. A equals base times height. What would you do to find the base? Divide by? No? Yes. Divide by height to do what? To find the base, divide both sides by the height. Because the goal, when we say find the base, that means get the B by itself, right? And so what's on the same side with the B is the H. And why did he say divide? Why do you say divide instead of multiply or add or subtract? So, but how? How does he know to divide H on both sides? But how? Why couldn't I just say plus H on both sides? But how do you know that? Come on guys, y'all have had algebra.